The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, spotted something really interesting, what looks like city lights way out in space, like 7 trillion miles from us. This has everyone buzzing about whether there could be life on other planets. The telescope was pointed at Proxima Centauri B, the closest planet outside our solar system, and it picked up super bright lights that look a whole lot like the lights we see in cities here on Earth. So, what could be making these lights? Could it actually be aliens? For ages, scientists and everyone else have been looking up, hoping to find signs of life. Any little hint gets people excited. Recently, when the JWST sent data back, researchers were shocked to see these weird, city-like flickers from Proxima Centauri B. Sounds like a distant city, right? The idea of an alien city in that system has scientists amazed. It could mean smart life is out there, living in ways we don't even know about. Even NASA engineers are wondering how long these lights have been shining, maybe waiting for us to get good enough to see them. David Kipping, a space expert, says Proxima Centauri B is a strange planet. It's close to Earth and has temperature changes that are different from other planets. Unlike rocky planets that soak up sunlight and give off infrared light, Proxima Centauri B's infrared stuff isn't the same as its star. This is a big deal for scientists trying to learn about the planet's air. Because infrared cameras are so good now, the JWST could check out Proxima Centauri B's air super clearly, giving us clues about whether life could live there. The telescope can even see the dark side of the planet, picking up the faintest light in space. Most telescopes can't do that, but the JWST is made to find even tiny bits of fake light from far-off planets. It can spot any light that's man-made, as long as it's in a frequency that's super tiny compared to starlight. Also, the planet's got some cool features. The daytime side has lots of solar panels to grab energy from its star, and the edge reflects light to keep the planet balanced. Proxima Centauri B goes through day and night like Earth. The planet gets blasted with sunlight during the day and cools off at night. These temperature changes depend on what the planet is made of. If it doesn't have air, it would be burning hot in the day and freezing at night. Astronomers need to figure out these temperature changes to learn about the air on that planet. Researchers are using the JWST's cameras to check out the planet's heat, which will clue them in on what's in the air. The JWST's orbit lines up with Proxima Centauri B's orbit, so scientists can watch the planet's day and night every 7.2 Earth days. If the planet has air, the next step is to see what's in it. Oxygen, methane, and water vapor will be key to knowing if life could survive there. It's tough, even for the JWST, because it can only look at a few of the closest possibly livable planets. To get a better look, astronomers are waiting for new telescopes on the ground, like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, which should be up and running in 2028. The ELT will zoom in on the air of planets far away, giving us info about whether they could support life. Even with its limits, the JWST is a big deal for learning about planets far away. Astronomers are also trying to make new space telescopes that can block out the bright light from a planet's star. That way, they can see the planet's light better and study its air to see if life could be there. It's not easy, though, because scientists have to tell the difference between gases made by living things and gases made by volcanoes. Even so, astronomers are pushing forward, checking out planets and looking for signs of life. The JWST is a huge step forward, giving us a peek at what's to come. As we explore the universe, we're getting a better idea of how it all works and where we fit in. After searching for decades, we still haven't found solid proof of life on another planet. But the search goes on because we're curious about whether we're the only smart beings out there. It's an old question, and scientists are counting on the JWST to find alien civilizations hidden among the stars. One idea is that alien life is already out there, just waiting for us to find it. Back in 1984, some astronomers started the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, project. They look at space signals for radio waves, because radio waves can travel far without getting scattered. The 42 radio telescopes that are listening haven't found anything yet, but people are still hoping and looking. The search for alien civilizations got a boost when NASA said the JWST saw SETI-like lights on a planet near Earth. The JWST is the best tool we have for figuring out the universe. It can see through space dust and find secrets, and its main job is to study the oldest galaxies and stars. The JWST's tech was inspired by James Webb, who helped make space exploration and the moon landing happen. The JWST has a bunch of tools, like cameras and sensors, that work together to give us amazing views. Its big mirror is made of 18 pieces and can pick up the dimmest light from the oldest galaxies. It works in super cold temperatures so it can spot faint heat from far away. Since it launched, the JWST has been doing a great job finding some of the oldest galaxies ever seen. It's giving us new information about how stars form, how galaxies change, and how planets develop. The SETI lights on Proxima Centauri B are a turning point in the search for life. We need to do more research, but the JWST has opened a new chapter in how we explore space and understand our place in it. The discovery of lights on Proxima Centauri B has gotten scientists excited and made people think about alien life again. It shows how great the JWST is and marks a big step in understanding the universe. The telescope can see through space dust and find mysteries, and it's teaching us about the first galaxies and stars. The lights on Proxima Centauri B make us wonder if smart life is out there and if we're about to find civilizations in far-off places. As the JWST sends back data, scientists are trying to figure out the mystery of Proxima Centauri B. This could change how we think about life in the universe. The telescope can pick up even the dimmest light, which could be from alien lights. If these lights are real, it would be one of the biggest discoveries ever, proving we're not alone. But we have to be careful. Scientists need to rule out natural things that could cause the lights before they say it's aliens. Besides looking for aliens, the JWST's work shows how important space exploration is. The technology we're making for these telescopes is pushing what we can do in space. Future telescopes might give us even better looks at the air and living conditions on planets far away. Being able to spot dim lights in other star systems is key for finding life and learning about places where life could survive. Astronomers want to study planets like Proxima Centauri B more, focusing on their air and whether they could support life, even tiny life. The SETI lights make us rethink how we look for alien intelligence. For years, we've been searching for radio signals. Now, we know we can also look for artificial lights or other signs of technology. This could change how we search for alien civilizations, making us look for different kinds of proof. As we learn more about the universe, the JWST will be a big part of the journey. It's already finding surprising things, and future studies could find even more evidence of planets that could be lived on. The search for life beyond Earth is just getting started, and the JWST is leading the way. Meanwhile, scientists are thinking about the ethics of finding alien life. If we find smart beings, how should we talk to them? What would it mean for us to talk to civilizations beyond Earth? These questions are getting urgent as we get closer to a new time in space exploration. We still need to prove if the lights on Proxima Centauri B are real, but this discovery reminds us of the possibilities out there, encouraging us to keep exploring and wondering. Whether or not these lights are aliens, the search for knowledge is one of the best things we do. The JWST is helping shape the future of space exploration. The JWST's findings have made us hopeful about finding life beyond Earth. Whether we find aliens or just strange things, space exploration will keep surprising us. The questions about the mysterious lights will keep scientists busy for years as they try to solve the puzzle of the universe. In short, the discovery of SETI lights on Proxima Centauri B by the James Webb Space Telescope is a huge moment in the search for alien life. It shows how amazing the telescope is and gives us a hint that we might find advanced civilizations. As scientists study the data, the excitement about life beyond Earth will keep growing. We're getting closer to answering the big question, are we alone? The trip to find the secrets of space is just starting, and the JWST is helping us see things we never thought possible. Whether we find aliens or new kinds of life, the JWST's work will lead to a new age of discovery that will change space exploration forever. For now, the JWST is doing a lot to grow our knowledge of planets far away. Even with its limits, it could still make big discoveries that teach us a lot about space. Astronomers are trying to build new space telescopes that can block out the bright light from a planet's star. This would let them see the faint light from the planet itself, so they can study its atmosphere and if it can support life better. It's going to be tricky because scientists will have to tell the difference between gases made by living things and those from things like volcanoes. Astronomers are determined to figure this out as they keep studying planets and looking for signs of life. The JWST is a big step forward in studying planets outside our solar system, giving us a peek at amazing future discoveries. As we keep checking out the universe, we're learning more about how it works and where we fit in. Even after searching for so long, we still haven't found solid proof of life somewhere else. The hunt for alien life goes on, because we're curious to know if we're the only smart beings out there. This old question still hasn't been answered, and scientists are looking to the JWST to maybe find alien civilizations hiding among the stars. Meanwhile, some people think aliens might already be out there, just waiting for us to find them. Back in 1984, Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson, American astronomers, started the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence (SETI) project. They look at space signals for radio waves that might be coming from somewhere else. Radio waves are good for this because they can travel really far without getting scattered or soaked up, unlike other types of radiation. This makes it more likely that the 42 radio telescopes at the Allen Telescope Array in California will pick them up.